As usual, guys, I do document my entries. I document my positions before the trade makes movement, guys. Check the dates. Today is 26th December right here on my right. Let me get that. You see, today is 26 right there. But then if you try to zoom around this zone, guys, maybe you can try to pause this video screenshot, zoom around this zone, gang, taken on December 22nd. That was Friday, but then market was not open on a Monday because of Christmas thing. All right, so 22nd right here, the market was taken on that day. Monday we never had trade open. Then today the market played out right, guys, but then I was supposed to hold this joint and decided to close my position because I'm seeing something different, guys. So when you know what's happening, gang, you'll make moves before maybe getting caught to the wrong direction on the mic, guys. And as usual, guys, I send the signal to my VIP. Let me just show you right here. I told them it was around 6 p.m. Yo, this looks good for buys, man. Look at this. Confirm once again. NZDJPY right here, 4 hour, right? I told them risk only 1% as usual, right? So this is it. Then I just confirmed once again, let's buy NZDJPY, all right? So that's okay. And I also had a position on GBP JPY right here. I'll explain that too. So let's get it, baby. First things first, how do I analyze my market? Easy. Identify the trends. Where is the market moving? Right, the market was in an uptrend as usual. I'm not going to remove my drawings. I don't want to waste your time. Look at that. That's a trend. That's an uptrend. Okay, so if that's the case, then we should be looking for our buy position, right? So let's continue, and I'll get this. Just today I'll have this. This is where the market was. So probably let me change the color. Maybe that's okay. I believe you guys can see that clearly. All right, so this is the daily, gang. So let me take you to the 4 hour. Okay, so I'll explain this as quick as possible. So the market usually give us a move, impulse, and a correction. This was an impulse, correction, impulse. Then the market came back to give us a correction. So as usual, this is where the market was. The market was moving sideways, all right? So if this market is moving sideways, it's either it's having two options. Either it goes to the upside or to the downside, all right? So we either buy or we either sell. If the market is not giving us bias, then let us give us sales bias, all right? So the market did consolidate for some time, and let's just confirm that. You can see it right here. The market was moving sideways. So the moment the market broke out from that resistance, then that just gave me a confirmation. Yo, we're not going down. We should be going up. So why should I take a sell position? So I just did that when this candle closed, gang. Let me just zoom in right here. So this is quite amazing. Look at this bullish engulfing candlestick that closed above. Then I just had to take my buy position as usual. So let me just confirm it, guys. Let me just give you another confidence. If you kind of look at this zone right here, these are the things that made me to take this buy position. Kind of look at that zone right there, and then look at this zone right here. So they kind of look the same, all right? So if we take our bar pattern tool and then maybe cater from this move until this move right here, right? So like I say, guys, market do repeat its pattern, all right? So sometimes the pips value might not be the same as the previous, but the markets do repeat the pattern. So this is the case. So you see, it kind of makes sense, guys, all right? So when I saw that that's the case, man, that's what's up. Just had enough confidence to take my buy position. Then let me take it to the lower time frame. Let me take it to the lower time frame, baby. All right, another thing, that's another I don't know, that's the third conference. Let me just continue giving you confidence. I don't take my entries just on one conference, guys. If you kind of look at this, guys, I understand how the market is approaching a support or a resistance. I repeat that, and I'll continue singing that every day. Understand how the market is approaching a support or a resistance. So What do I mean? Let me take it to the 15, baby. Let me take it to the 15, baby. All right. If this was our resistance line right here, this was the support, right? Let me just, as usual, we talk about demand and supply zone. So let me just call this as a supply. If that's the supply, that's the supply zone right there. Then now, of course, if I call this should be the demand. This should be that should be the demand zone. If that's the case, then all right. So this market is moving sideways, like I said before. So it's either it breaks to the low or to the high. But if I try to understand how this market is approaching my support level, it did give me a continuation pattern or a correction. So it just gave me an impulse, then a correction. Then I just asked myself, why is this market giving me a correction if it doesn't want to go down? All right. If it was a false break, then it could have just given me an impulse. All right. Then I could have not taken that buy position. Then, all right. But then this called for my attention. That's why I did execute. Right. And as usual, the market played out. And during this period, I understood, guys, this is just kind of correction, and you just have to be calm. And if another conference, guys, the market is respecting our trend line. There's another trend line at the lower time frame 15. Right, look at this. This is an impulse correction, impulse. So then I started looking for my second position. Look at this. So, and as usual, gang, look at this. I know most people, so oh, this market is giving us a double top, so let's take a sell entry. Well, if you sell, I'm buying. If you're buying, I sell. So when that's the case, guys, I just had to understand where the market was consolidating from. Once again, this is the zone. You can say I did mark this zone right here. All right, that is when I did take another buy position at the 1 hour as usual. But then, guys, I've closed that position. Now I've just capitalized. That's around 75 pips, right? 75 pips. If I cater for this first entry and the second entry was around 20 pips when I did close, guys. Look at this. I told my gang, right here. Where are you? All right, look at this. When we were winning, NZDJPY already gave us 50 pips from the entry, but I capitalized, make it 75. You see, that's it. All right, that's the 4 hour, and let me show you how the 15 was looking like, guys. This is the 15. So I've closed the position. So I told my people, like maybe some minutes ago, I've just said, yo, I've closed all my positions, the JPY and GBP JPY. I see something fishy. All right, so kinda, the market do communicate. I've just seen that this market want to reverse. All right, initially my trend line, this one right here, did pass here. All right, so I said, oh, it's kinda, oh man, I don't know, let me just try to delete some things. I don't want you to get confused, right? So I saw, oh, this market was doing this, that was that last Friday. So when when I came on Tuesday today, guys, just have to adjust. You have to evolve. So if you do evolve, guys, you understand that this market is kind of the third touch. So I just had to close that, right? So I'm now looking for sell position, and I seen that this is a bigger version of a head and shoulder. That's the left shoulder. This is the neckline. I mean, that's the head neckline right there. So the kind of the market is at the right shoulder, so we should go down. So let me just remove this. This is kind of signal, gang. So just have to be keen. But then, yes, it's a signal, but there are some things that I have to see before I make my sell positions. All right, so it doesn't mean that when you're watching this, you just take your sell position. You'll burn, man. The market will show you dust, right? Don't try this at home. That's it. So if I kind of do this, that's kind of making sense. So let me get this. This is the left shoulder. This is the head neckline. Now the market is giving me a right shoulder, so we should take this back to the center. All right, back to the center. So this should be the target right here. Okay, and it's kind of making sense, gang. It's kind of making sense because we are back to our demand and supply zone thing. All right, kind of a trading, right? That's a supply zone. It's a supply. Then we have our demand. Right, that's easy. And guys, I don't know if I should explain GBP JPY because these things kind of move the same. All right, that's it. They're just moving the same, so I should not even waste your time, guys. I should not even waste your time. So let me just because of the love, man, of the support. Yes, GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, I've closed that too. That's after getting just 35 pips. Your market has been crazy. 35 pips. The market only gave me 35 pips. All right, 35 is not bad. Right, so this is how the market was looking like before entry. Where's GBP JPY? British pound again. Yeah, this is it. I've deleted some of the drawings. So once again, 20 seconds, just zoom in, man. Zoom in, don't be afraid. Zoom in. Man, join my telegram link in the description, and if you want to join the VIP, link in the description to Telegram. Right, so you kind of see that these things are making sense. They're looking the same, like I said before. Guys, I don't want to waste your time. I just want to end this video. This is the supply once again. That's a supply zone. This is the demand. Man, I'm tired. So if you try to look at this kind of pattern, guys, this is the left shoulder right here. This is the head. Boom, the market wants to give us the right shoulder before we go down. So it might not go back all the way to this zone, but we just have to react or do what the market is telling us. And if that's not the case, then we evolve. All right, we evolve. Okay, do not be afraid, guys. We evolve. Okay, that's it. So let me see how much GBP can give us. Not bad, probably 200 pips. Not bad. And NZJPY, let me see. And if it doesn't drop either way, it's still okay, guys. I've made a good amount of pips today, so NZJPY has a good potential of dropping up to 200. Yeah, you see, they kind of correlate, guys. GBP, like you've seen, is kind of having a potential to give me up to 200 pips, and same as NZJPY. So there's some certain things that I'm going to watch out to confirm my sell position. I'm not just going to take a sell position that, oh, the market is already dropping, take. Yo, I'm not going to do that. There's certain things that I have to put into consideration. Like you've seen how I do take that entry, guys. There are a lot of confluence that I do watch out, or I just have to add to my trades before making my decision. So this is the first touch, second touch, and now of course we are at the third touch. So you know what happens at the third touch. No, okay, at the same time, gang, you look at this. You see, like I said, we have an head and shoulder, right? So if that's the case, at the same time, you already see, guys, we kind of getting a double top. So many confluence, right? So those are just confluence to go down. But before making a sell position decision, there's things that I still have to watch out for. I need the market to do that. I need the market to do what I want, right? And if the market doesn't do what I want, then I'm not going to do anything, because the market is just going to do what it wants. All right, okay. So for good buy entry position, then let this market break out of this high. You see, it's either we buy or we sell. Okay, if it doesn't continue dropping, or if it doesn't give me signs to go down, like I said before, if it's not for buy, then it's for sale. All right, so we still have another trend right here. So a good confirmation. Let this market take this high. If you take that high, then guess what? We should be targeting right here. Right, easy. All right, so you see, we're still having like 100 pips to go though. Okay, but then I don't like trading or taking trades that are having a potential of like 100 pips, 50 pips, 80 pips. I don't like those. I do like trades that have potential of 200 pips. On that 200 pips, guys, you can at least get more than 100. All right, so on 100 pip trades, who knows, the market might not give you 100. The market probably might give you 20 out of that 100. The market might give you 30, 50 out of that 100. But then if it's 200 pips you're targeted, the market will give me at least 80, 100 pips, 120, you know. That's it. That's why I do avoid those trades that are having potential of like 100 pips minus. All right, I do target 200 pips plus, so on that 200 I can make something out of it, right? So gang, I believe that's what's up, baby. So if you come with me till this end, maybe smash the subscribe button, gang. Check the Telegram link in the description, and do not forget, guys, there's also a guy in Telegram that maybe might scam you guys. All right, I will not text you, text me first. I do not do any investment package, gang. And if you want to get funded, link in the description box below. I have 2 platforms, link in the description below. All right, do not be scammed, guys. Do not be scammed. That guy has over 1,000 followers on Telegram, guys. I have 180, I believe 81 or 82. That's me, yo. And peace, gang. Adios, mi amigos.